Hello, Dad. We live in an amazing world. I just came back from the Amazon Hub Locker and got this package, and it's interesting to note something that this package took about 3 days to be delivered, which is still fast in modern days. But this package, I actually ordered it this yesterday evening, and it already arrived this afternoon. So it's kind of amazing if you think about it. There's one thing to note that this is all normal 2 day shipping, or not Prime. It's called Fast Track. And but there is something very interesting about modern times because it also helps when you look at what the content is actually is because the Amazon infrastructure is hierarchical. So if we look at this here, which is some lacquer for leather that I bought for a restoration project for video. And this box, which is obviously more involved to get open, as always, is food and specialized cat food, which is has Ernst. And so, if you think about it, it does make sense. I mean, having worked for Amazon, I mean, okay, I worked for the Prime marketing department, so I don't know anything about the details, but having worked there, you kind of talk and you learn things about that. And so the thing is, the reason why this is the way this is that the Amazon delivery system is hierarchical. So they'll have not one, but multiple big warehouses, but for each region, they kind of have like the warehouse that's for that region. And they might also have like different tiers, like small packages, small and light packages, medium packages, and really big ones that need actually special delivery. But everything that goes through the post and is small and medium. And so, but then you think, wait, this is small, this should be fast. And this is heavy and big, this should be slow, but that's not the case because what happens is that they predict what people will buy. And so if you look at, let's say, cat food, it makes more sense to get the product closer to the customer. And so what they'll do is they have the big warehouse, and then they have delivery facilities lower, and then maybe even lower, sometimes 3 tiers, sometimes 2 tiers. And so they'll actually say, okay, wait a minute, this area here, there is the chance of somebody buying cat food is significantly high, so we'll send cat food there. And when the person orders the cat food, it only has to do a short distance. Whilst, let's say, specialized lacquer is something that almost they can't really predict where, and they don't know where to put it. So they have it somewhere more centralized. And although I don't know from exactly where this package comes from, but I'll assume that it might come from Ireland or one of these really big facilities and have that delivered. That's why it took like about 3 days to have be delivered. And so this is one of the rather interesting things, and I think modern infrastructure is really amazing if you consider that not even 20 years ago, it was normal to wait 2 weeks for any deliveries, and now we're getting them in under a day, so that's kind of cool. And I hope you're doing well, and see you later.